Knowledge acquisition, sources and process pay 5 Odisha B.Ed and education honors. Knowledge acquisition, sources and process. Introduction. Knowledge acquisition is a foundational concept in the field of education, epistemology, and cognitive psychology. It refers to the ways by which individuals gain, process, and internalize knowledge. Understanding how knowledge is acquired helps teachers design effective teaching strategies and optimize learning outcomes for diverse learners. This answer focuses on two aspects: sources of knowledge, processes of knowledge acquisition. 1. Sources of knowledge. The sources of knowledge refer to the origins from where individuals derive information, ideas, and understanding. Philosophers, psychologists, and educators have classified sources of knowledge into several categories. A. Perception. Definition. Perception refers to the knowledge acquired through the senses: sight, hearing, touch, smell, and taste. Examples: seeing a rainbow and knowing it appears after rain. Feeling heat and realizing the stove is on. Educational implication. Learning should be experiential and sensory rich. Use of visual aids, science experiments, and field trips enhances perceptual knowledge. B. Introspection. Definition. It is the process of gaining knowledge by examining one's own thoughts, feelings, and mental states. Examples: realizing you are anxious before an exam. Understanding your learning style through reflection. Educational implication. Encourages self-awareness, emotional intelligence, and metacognition. Teachers should promote reflective practices like journaling or mindfulness. C. Memory. Definition. Memory is the process of retaining and recalling previously acquired knowledge. Examples: remembering the formula for area. Reciting a poem learned in childhood. Educational implication. Reinforcement and repetition help consolidate memory. Use of mnemonic devices and spaced revision strategies. D. Testimony or authority. Definition. Knowledge gained through trust in others' words, such as teachers, parents, books, or experts. Examples: a child learning about the solar system from a teacher. Referring to textbooks for facts. Educational implication. Encourages respect for reliable sources. Teachers should verify and teach students to critically evaluate sources. E. Reasoning. Definition. Gaining knowledge through logical thinking, analysis, and deduction. Types: deductive reasoning, general to specific. Inductive reasoning, specific to general. Abductive reasoning, hypothesizing the most likely explanation. Examples: inferring that plants need sunlight to grow after observing growth patterns. Educational implication. Fosters critical thinking, problem solving, and mathematical reasoning. Use of puzzles, debates, and logical exercises. F. Imagination and intuition. Definition. Imagination refers to forming new ideas or concepts not present to the senses. Intuition refers to immediate understanding without conscious reasoning. Examples: a scientist imagining a new model. A teacher sensing a student is upset without them saying it. Educational implication. Encourages creativity and artistic expression. Important in literature, music, arts, and innovation. G. Revelation or spiritual insight. Definition: in religious or spiritual contexts, knowledge may come from divine sources or mystical experiences. Examples: scriptures are often accepted as revealed knowledge. Educational implication: important in value education, moral education, and spiritual development. 8. Social and cultural interaction. Definition: knowledge acquired through interaction with others, traditions, and social practices. Examples: learning social norms, language, and customs. Educational implication: highlights the importance of collaborative learning, peer interaction, and social constructivism. 2. Process of knowledge acquisition. The process of knowledge acquisition involves how knowledge is absorbed, processed, stored, and applied. Cognitive psychology and learning theories explain this process in detail. A. Piaget's cognitive development theory. Stages of cognitive development. Stage. Age group. Characteristics. Sensoromotor. 0 to 2 years. Learn through sensory experiences and actions. Preoperational. 2 to 7 years. Symbolic thinking, egocentric reasoning. Concrete operational. 7 to 11 years. Logical thinking on concrete events. Formal operational. 12 plus years. Abstract and hypothetical reasoning. Process of knowledge acquisition in Piaget's view. Assimilation, integrating new information into existing schemas. Accommodation, changing schemas to fit new information. Equilibration, balancing assimilation and accommodation to achieve stable understanding. Educational implication: learning should be developmentally appropriate. Hands-on activities for concrete learners, abstract thinking for older students. B. Vygotsky's social constructivism. Key ideas: knowledge is socially constructed through interaction. Zone of proximal development, ZPD, difference between what a learner can do independently and with guidance. Scaffolding, temporary support provided by a teacher or peer. Educational implication: use of group work, peer tutoring, and dialogue-based learning. Teachers must be facilitators of learning. See Bruner's modes of representation. Mode. Description. Enactive. Knowledge through action, 0 to 3 years. Iconic. Knowledge through images and visuals, 3 to 7 years. Symbolic. Knowledge through language and symbols, 7 plus years. Educational implication: use age-appropriate instructional materials. Combine activities, visuals, and language in teaching. D. Information processing theory. Stages of knowledge acquisition. Sensory memory, immediate input from senses. Short-term memory, temporary storage, 7 plus or minus 2 items. Long-term memory, permanent knowledge store. Processes involved: attention, focusing on relevant stimuli. Encoding, converting information into memory. Storage, keeping knowledge over time. Retrieval, recalling information when needed. Educational implication: use attention-grabbing activities, repetition, association, and meaningful learning. E. Experiential learning, Kolb. Cycle of learning, Concrete experience, doing or having an experience. Reflective observation, reflecting on the experience. Abstract conceptualization, learning from the experience. Active experimentation, applying what was learned. Educational implication. Use of projects, role plays, field visits, and internships. F. Bloom's taxonomy. Knowledge is acquired and applied in levels. Remembering, recalling facts. Understanding, explaining ideas. Applying, using knowledge in new situations. Analyzing, breaking down information. Evaluating, making judgments. Creating, producing new ideas. Educational implication. Teachers should design questions and activities for all levels of learning. Summary table. Aspect. Key points. Sources of knowledge. Perception, introspection, memory, reasoning, testimony, intuition, etc. Acquisition processes. Assimilation, accommodation, scaffolding, encoding, reflection, application. Theorists. Piaget, Vygotsky, Brunner, Kolb, Bloom. Educational implications. Learner-centered, multisensory, developmentally appropriate teaching. Conclusion. Understanding the sources and processes of knowledge acquisition equips educators the insight to facilitate effective learning. Knowledge does not arise in a vacuum, it is shaped by sensory experience, reasoning, social interaction, memory, and reflection. By aligning teaching methods with how knowledge is acquired, teachers can create inclusive, engaging, and meaningful learning environments.